guys, welcome back to another video.
Hi guys.
Today we're going to be doing some dinosaur fighting. Part 2. So basically we're going to be doing, I don't know, 3 or 4 rounds of these dinosaur fights, like Velociraptor and Allosaurus versus Gigantosaurus and T-Rex. I think I know who will win, but yeah. So guys, remember to, I know I'm saying this at the start, but remember to like and subscribe. And let's get to some dinosaur fighting. Roar! Okay guys, so our first fighters are Allosaurus and Velociraptor versus
Gigantosaurus and T-Rex with that stripes, that green.
Now let's start fighting. So 3, 2, 1, go! Ah! How are they flying?
I know. Probably just grew wings. Yeah, they grew wings.
The Gigantosaurus has been hurt so much. He's out.
No.
Velociraptor is also out. Both of them are out. T-Rex versus Allosaurus. The winner is T-Rex. Guys, it's time for round 2. So this time we have the Stegosaurus, the Ankylosaurus, and
The Gigantosaurus and the Triceratops.
Triceratops. 3, 2, 1. Tail smash! Tail smash! Tail smash! Why are they going off the world?
Smash!
Tail smash!
Smash!
Tail smash! Tail smash! Tail smash! I'm not hitting the dinosaur, I'm hitting my hand. Tail smash! Tail smash! Tail smash! Why are they flying? No! Double super tail smash! Gigantosaurus is out. So is Stegosaurus. Now it's just Ankylosaurus versus Triceratops. Tail smash! Tail smash! Tail smash! Tail smash! Tail smash! Triceratops is out because he landed on Ankylosaurus' spikes.
No, his horns did. Now you can just random.
Okay, so that was round.
That was very complicated.
That was round 2, and the winners were Stegosaurus and Ankylosaurus. And bye guys. Next round. Guys, so this is round 3, the bonus round, and we have some special sauropod contestants, which names are, let's see here, Apatosaurus and Diplodocus. And our other contestant, our next contestants are T-Rex and Gigantosaurus. Move them back. Move them back. Hey, no, not yet. Move them back. 3, 2, 1, go!
We're standing on a tree for some weird reason.
Kill it. No, they can't use kill whip.
I know this.
Kill it. Looks like T-Rex is out. T-Rex is dead. Smash it with his head. Oh, looks like Gigantosaurus. It's still going, but this dude's still whipping him. Winner is the winner is Gigantosaurus. So guys, looks like our points are 2-1. So the Gigantosaurus is basically in the lead, and yeah guys, bye. Remember to like and subscribe. One dinosaur. Hi guys, welcome back to another dinosaur battle video. And today we have some special contestants. This is Stegosaurus,
And this is this weird dinosaur that I'm not using actually. I don't know what it's sitting on.
And also we have, I think it's called Styracosaurus. So, we're gonna be fighting
Dinosaurus.
and
How do I know what the thing's called?
so guys, let's start. 3, 2, 1. Fight! The green dinosaur, we don't know its name. The green dinosaur, we don't know his name is out.
No, it isn't. You're on this out. We're gonna get
Die, 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 die. That's not even Spike.